In this video, I will show you how to change server icon in Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. And once you've done that, come and click onto the server that you want to change the server icon for. You can see at the moment I've clicked onto this one Tech Tutor server, but you can see I've currently got no icon, it's just the text. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the server name, and on this drop down menu you want to come and click onto server settings. That should take you to a screen like this called server profile. If it doesn't, just come to the left hand side and you're going to see an option for server profile, so give that a click, and on this screen you're going to see an option to change the icon. So it does say that we recommend an image of at least 512 by 512 pixels, and all you need to do is click the blue change server icon button. What that's going to do is open up your file explorer, and you can just go through your PC and locate the image that you want to use as your server icon. So what I'm going to do is just use my logo as an example, so I'm just going to double click to change this. What you can then do is crop this to fit appropriately, and once that's done, come and click on to apply. As you can see, the server icon has now been changed. All we need to do at this point is come down and click the save changes button, and once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and change your Discord server icon. So that is how to change the server icon in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.